Hi, it's Chris. In this video we're going to show you how to remove and reinstall the lid on your Samsung top-load washer. So removing and reinstalling the lid on your Samsung top-load washer is actually very easy and does not require a lot of special tools. Basically a Phillips screwdriver and then just something like a toothpick or a pin or a pick in order to remove a decal. Keep in mind if your machine needs to be repaired, it's usually simple enough to do it yourself. Visit PartSelect.com, enter your model number, and quickly find and order the part you need. So some of the reasons why you'd be looking at having to remove and replace the lid on your Samsung washer is over time, through normal wear and tear, maybe the hinge is broken off, or someone's pushed on the lid a little too hard and they'll tend to crack, or perhaps something heavy got dropped on it and broke the glass itself. But it's an easy job to repair, so you'll have no problem. So the first thing we want to do, of course, is just raise the lid. Once the lid is up, looking down into the corner, this is the little decal that you need to remove. This is hiding the screws that are underneath it. So I just use a small pick or an awl in order to pull the decal off. You can use a toothpick or a pin and just basically insert it into this bottom edge and pull it away. Now you want to do it as gently as you can so you don't damage it, because you'll want to stick it back on after you've put the new top back in. I'll just stick that onto the top so it doesn't go anywhere. Now I'm just going to take my Phillips screwdriver and remove these two screws. There. And now again we'll do this on the other side as well. So just like we did on the other side, we're just going to take our pick and just get it underneath the bottom edge of that little decal. Pull that off. I'm just going to stick it back there so I don't lose it, and then just remove these two screws. So with the screws removed on both sides, it's now just a matter of taking hold of the lid itself and just pulling it straight up. And that's how easy it is to remove. So to reinstall it is just as easy. We're just going to bring the lid into position, and you can see there's the spots that the hinge that's still attached to the washer is going to go up inside. And it's the same thing on the other end of the lid. So we'll just want to bring the top into position, bring it down and lower it down onto those hinges. Until it slips right down into place. And now we can put our screws in on both sides. I won't tighten that one right up until I get the second one in. It just makes it easier if I need to wiggle it to align it. Now we'll snug that one down, go back to the first one and snug it nice and tight. And with the screws in place, we're just going to take that little decal and put it back into position, and it will still have plenty of adhesion to it so that it'll stay in place. And just press it on with your thumb, and there you go. Now we're just going to do the same thing to the other side. So again, we'll just put our screw into position, thread it in, and again leave it a little loose till you get the other one in. I'll snug that up. Go back to the first one and snug that up. And then we just take our decal and again move it into position. And then just press it down with your thumb, and it'll have enough adhesion that'll still hold it in place. And now you can just close the lid. And there you go. It's just that easy to remove and reinstall the lid on your top-load Samsung washer.